spread some joy. They did so by making contributions to young footballers and relief supplies to those affected by Hurricane Melissa.
With a number of Jamaicans forming the core of the club, members were inclined to make donations to those affected by the impact of the recent hurricane on the island. As part of their philanthropic works, relief supplies were given to a number of communities in Western Jamaica. Their trip this year also saw them taking on the Santos Masters team in a friendly game. President of Baisley FC, Kirk Francis, explained their agenda for their latest visit to the island.
So this is our third year coming to Jamaica on tour. We normally focus on schools, in the inner city or rural schools and try to, make it football based, but also, try to support them in other ways, like with equipment and stuff. But this year, because of the hurricane, we focused on the west. We went to St. Elizabeth, a couple of places in St. Elizabeth. We made 150 care packages. And we picked a town, we went to some shelters, some churches, we saw the devastation. And, if we can make one day a little bit better for somebody, we'll leave that. So.
Captain of the Santos Masters team, Kirk White, was grateful for the visit and the donations made by the Baisley team.
We really appreciate this kind of partnership, Baisley FC. They came this year, they wanted to have a game with us. And in addition to that, based on the type of things they do, we really appreciate their effort in terms of, assisting the youngsters, assisting youths in acquiring equipment and those kind of things for the football. That kind of thing is extremely important in today's world. Especially in the Jamaican society where the cost of gears and equipment is so high.
Former national player Donovan Downer is the coach of Baisley FC.
I'm in the state, but I always run football. I coach this team, Baisley United from Queens, New York. Win up the state cup many years and many championships. So I always run football and where I play football in Queens is so many former national players play there.
The 30-year-old club is based in Queens, New York. Garfield Jones reporting for TVJ Sports.